Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So let's do your next 48 hours. Let's see what is happening in the next 48 hours for the collective. Okay, I'll also use this one. I've ordered three more new decks, so I'm really waiting, and then I'm gonna make videos from the new ones as well. Okay, so let's see. Take what resonates and leave the rest. It's going to be Hindi and English mix. Next 48 hours for the collective. Okay. I don't know why, but I do feel that one person is moving towards a heartbreak and the other person is moving towards new beginnings. Okay, so you have to see whether if you are heartbroken, so you might feel a bit more sad, a bit more lost. You might want to grieve because probably you are going through something which you were not expecting. And there's another person, it could be your energy, it could be someone else's energy, but someone close to you, they are moving towards new beginnings. Okay, they are feeling that let bygones be bygones, let me put the past in the past. I need to look forward towards future. I need to look you know forward towards my life. I need to have my new beginnings. I need to come out of certain tragic endings. I need to liberate myself. So this is that kind of energy. One message that I'm getting is the person who has been the runner. Okay, the person who has been the runner, okay, which is avoiding the connection, okay, avoiding the connection, avoiding feelings and all of that, this person now becomes the chaser. So they might want to come towards you because there is definitely someone who is coming towards you. Okay, they are also in their chasing energy, probably because they're feeling abandoned, they're feeling hurt, they are not feeling good about whatever happened between you two, and they are going to express their feelings towards you. They might even express that, collective, you've broken my heart, collective, you've done that, collective, you've done this, and all of that. So some kind of call is definitely on its way. It can be someone from the past, it can be someone who has been running now becomes a chaser, or someone who has just been thinking of you. So there will be some call. Okay, it can be from an old friend also. It's not necessary that we have to connect this with this whole romantic angle only. And other than that also, I do feel that some kind of picture is going to play an important role in next 48 hours. Okay, either you're going to get clicked, okay, or basically you will be doing something with the photograph. Either you will be going through certain pictures with someone, or you will be seeing, okay, this is how my 2024 has been, feeling nostalgic. Some of you are going to create new memories also. Okay, you will have a new memory, and I see you clicking a picture in the next 48 hours. Okay, it's going to be a special one. I'm not talking about just taking a selfie and stuff like that, but even if you take a selfie or anything, like, it's going to be a special one. There will be a good solid reason behind it. Okay, let's see what else do we have. Someone is definitely interested in you, but this person has major fears. Okay, and that is probably because this person has shown a different side of their life. They might have shown you that they are really from a well-to-do family, they are rich, they are wealthy, they are this, they are that, and blah blah blah, but they're not showing who they really are. Probably either they are struggling in their work, okay, or probably they do not have so much of money जितना ये दिखा रहे हैं, जितना ये show off कर रहे हैं, इतना ज़्यादा शायद से है नहीं, but something is definitely there that they're not showing it to you. But definitely the only reason why they're not showing it to you is because there's this fear of rejection, okay. Maybe they feel that their scarcity or lack of something is going to cause or create obstacles between you and them. No doubt this person is interested in you, all right, but it's just that I do see some self-esteem issues here. I also feel that there's someone who is wanting to give you commitment, but the only thing is that maybe this person feels that you want someone who is financially stable, you want someone who is ambitious, you want someone who is that self-made personality or whatever. So that is there, okay. Other than that, those who are studying right now, okay, those who are into teaching, if you teach anything, okay, let's say for example if I teach Reiki, anything that you teach, any kind of counseling that you do, if you are a healer, especially for the healers, it's a very good time where I do see that you will be able to help people, okay. I do see that you will be able to help people and you will be able to monetize your purpose, and I always say there's nothing better than that, right? Because yeah, I don't want to get into the reasons of whys and all of that, but that is one very sure energy. Some kind of unexpected income or some kind of unexpected success is definitely on its way. You might get some kind of recognition also. I don't know why, but I do feel that there are certain people who are looking at your work, who are looking at you, they are looking at your lifestyle, but all of this is happening behind the scene. You don't know who is looking at you, you don't know who is stalking you, you don't know who is keeping tabs on your social media. You have no idea about who these people are or who this person is, but definitely there's someone who is observing you, okay. They're observing you, they are looking at you, they want to know everything about you, and they feel that that would be the best way to look at the collective, that would be the best way to know the collective. So that energy is very much there. Other than that, I also feel there's someone who is into some kind of show off, okay. You are dealing with someone, or you might deal with someone who is into showing off, हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और, खाने के कुछ और. That kind of energy is definitely there. And I can also sense career energies here. So those who are interested in career, and if you are waiting for some kind of offer or some kind of let's say, you can say some kind of news, okay, some kind of mail, so you can expect that to happen very soon. Some information is definitely coming towards you, because here also we have love call, okay, and here we have page of wands. So someone is going to show interest in you. It can be romantically, it can be in your career as well. So that energy is definitely there. Let's see what else do we have for the next 48 hours. The Star, the Lovers, the Emperor, Four of Swords, and King of Cups. See, some of you do have two people coming your way. One is definitely your divine masculine, your divine partner, okay, and one is someone who I see as a potential, okay. This King of Cups energy is someone who has a very strong potential to give to give you what you deserve, to have a solid foundation with you, okay. But at the same time, I don't know why, but I do feel that right now their cup of love is kind of empty. No doubt that this person is emotional, but at the same time, when it comes to giving you the love, offering you that love, I don't think that this person has that much of love. Okay, probably because they are right now dealing with some third party, probably. Okay, or they are dealing with finances, but definitely there's something, either finances or there's third party. Okay, secondly, I feel there's some wish come true, because we have the star, we have the lovers, and we have the emperor. Okay, and definitely you don't have to worry about anything. Everything is going to be crystal clear in front of you. Everything, universe is going to, put all the puzzles and all the pieces correctly. Okay, your life and all the pieces of your life are going to be in a perfectly well made frame by the universe. So that is definitely there, and I don't know why, but I do feel that you are going to leave this King of Cups energy behind, and you're going to go for someone who is your divine counterpart, someone who has that emperor energy. And it's not because you're going to go to this person because this person has some power. Definitely this person has some power. Maybe they're doing really good in their career, they have some kind of authoritativeness as well. Okay, maybe they have some some kind of recognition. People know them, people respect them, they look up to them. But more than that, I think universe is sending you this person in your life with a purpose. So it's not just a romantic thing, but it has a lot to do with life purpose as well. It's not necessary that it has to be a romantic person who is coming. For some, it can be some kind of mentor. Okay, some kind of mentor or guide is coming into your life. And for others, it can be definitely your divine counterpart, because we have lovers as well. And especially for the lover situation, if you have any kind of fear related to your partner, whether your partner is going to accept you or not, whether they're going to reject you, whether things are going to work out or not, you don't have to worry at all. Okay, you both are meant to be together, you both are destined to be together. And whatever is your wish, universe has heard your prayers, and universe is going to make sure that your wish gets delivered to you at the right time, and probably at the right place as well. कुछ लोगों के लिए I do feel that some kind of location is really going to matter a lot. So that is there. And साथ में ना मुझे ये भी लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आ रही है. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे, एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 people, for 7 to 8 people, this union is happening. Okay, this union is happening, and it's going to happen very soon. Finally it's going to happen. Finally you both are going to meet. Finally that fated meeting is going to happen. Finally that divine intervention is going to happen. Okay, so you can definitely rest. Okay, you can be just in your you can be in your relaxed state, in your peaceful state. You don't have to worry at all. And those who are worrying about some kind of career, or if you are worrying about recognition, if you're worrying about your goodwill or anything of that sort, that is definitely going to be yours. Okay, so don't worry about that as well. So this whole 48-hour thing is more about trusting, it's more about surrendering, it's more about understanding what universe has been doing, it's more about focusing on what you have been wishing, and it's also about being completely rest assured that yes, it is happening, it is happening, it is happening. Okay, so nothing else. Don't worry about anything at all. This is the time of justice. Collectively, I'm feeling that last few days of 2024, a lot of drama is going to happen. Okay, बहुत सारी जगह पे जो स्केल्स होंगे वो जस्टिस के जो स्केल्स होंगे वो बैलेंस होंगे, बिकॉज वी आर एंडिंग दिस ईयर ऑफ 8. सो it's not going to end ekdam fika or anything like that. It will end with a boom. Okay, so that is there. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.